In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view student progress in Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see how far a learner has made it through a course, which lessons they've completed, and how to quickly switch between multiple enrollments for the same person. This is especially helpful for coaching students, answering support questions, and keeping your courses on track. First, start in your school's admin area. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Users section. This is the central place where all people associated with your school live: students, affiliates, and any other roles. If you manage a large school, use the search field or available filters to narrow down to students so you're not scrolling through a long list. Keeping your filters specific will save you time, especially during busy enrollment periods. Once you're in Users, find and select the student you want to review. Clicking their name opens their profile, which is the hub for everything related to that individual. Here you'll see general details and enrollments, but what you want now is focused progress. Inside the student's profile, open the Progress Reports tab. This is where Teachable aggregates their learning activity. You'll typically see a course completion percentage, the last activity date, and which lessons have been completed so far. This area is great for spotting whether a student is actively moving through lessons or might need a nudge or additional support. If you don't see much data, it often means the student hasn't started yet or only just enrolled. If the student is enrolled in multiple courses, use the drop-down menu in the Progress Reports tab to switch between courses. This is key for getting a clear, course-by-course view without leaving the page. Select the course you want to inspect, and the report will refresh to show that specific progress. Take a moment to note patterns. Are they consistently stopping at a particular lesson, or did their activity taper off after a certain date? Those insights can inform how you follow up. A few quick tips: if you can't find the student, double-check spelling in the search field and confirm they're actually enrolled in the course you're reviewing. If progress looks out of date, give it a moment and refresh, as activity can take a short time to reflect. And remember to handle any student information responsibly. That's it. Open Users, pick the student, view their progress reports, and if needed, switch courses with the drop-down. Simple, clear, and effective for understanding learner engagement.